Is there an ancient city buried beneath Antarctica's ice? Antarctica, the coldest, driest, most mysterious place on Earth. It's a continent of ice, but underneath that frozen wasteland something is hiding. For years, satellite scans have picked up strange signals from beneath the ice sheet. We're talking geometric patterns, massive underground anomalies, and structures that just don't look natural. Some researchers are convinced that an ancient civilization, a lost city, lies buried beneath 2 miles of solid ice. Is it possible that the biggest secret in human history is frozen at the bottom of the world? What if I told you that Antarctica wasn't always a frozen wasteland? Go back just 12,000 years, and a very different picture emerges. This was a land with forests, lakes, and rivers. And if it had all that, it could have had people. How do we know? Scientists drilling deep into the ice and the earth below have found proof. They've discovered ancient pollen, microfossils, and sediments that all point to a warm, habitable climate. It was a green continent. So, if humans did live there, in this ancient, temperate Antarctica, what did they build? What evidence of their lives might be waiting for us, perfectly preserved under the ice? The clues suggest they built something truly massive. It all started to get really strange in 2001. That's when satellite images of Antarctica started revealing anomalies that could be easily explained away. We're not talking about fuzzy shapes or random blobs. These were perfectly straight lines stretching for miles, formations with sharp right-angled corners, and enormous grid-like patterns hidden deep beneath the surface. One particular anomaly, a massive rectangular mass under the ice, was so precise, so geometric, that it defied natural explanation. Some researchers gave it a name, the Antarctic City Pattern. They argued that natural geological processes simply don't create structures with this level of precision. These formations look artificial. They look designed. They look like the buried ruins of a city. And the satellite images were just the beginning. As technology advanced, scientists began using ground-penetrating radar to see what was really going on under all that ice. What they found was even more shocking. The radar detected a network of enormous tunnels, some of them a staggering 800 meters wide and kilometers long, carved directly into the bedrock far below the ice. To put that in perspective, that's wider than most modern airport runways. No known natural process can explain these shapes. They aren't just random caves. Some have suggested they could be ancient lava tubes or unusual glacial formations, but their size and structure don't quite fit. So the question remains, if nature didn't create these tunnels, who did, and why? This mystery gets even deeper when you look at ancient history. One of the most famous and baffling artifacts in cartography is the Peary Race map, created in 1513. What makes this 500-year-old map so incredible is that it accurately shows the coastline of Antarctica, but without any ice. It depicts rivers, mountains, and shorelines that we've only been able to confirm in the last century using modern radar. How could a mapmaker in the 1500s have known what Antarctica looked like beneath the ice? Even modern scientists can't fully explain it. Did ancient navigators, part of a long-forgotten maritime culture, map the continent before it froze over? If they did, it means someone was there. Someone lived on that continent and had the technology to explore and map it. So let's connect the dots. We have a once-green continent. We have satellite images of city-like patterns. We have giant, unexplained tunnels. And we have an ancient map showing the landmass without ice. This all fuels the ancient civilization theory. Proponents of this idea believe that Antarctica may hold the ruins of a lost, highly advanced civilization. Perhaps it's evidence of a pre-flood world, a culture that was wiped out by a global catastrophe. Some even speculate it could be the original Atlantis, a city swallowed not by the sea, but by ice, as the Earth's poles shifted. Imagine, knowledge older than ancient Egypt or Sumer, locked away in a frozen tomb. It's no surprise that myths and legends from cultures all around the world speak of a great southern land, a paradise that vanished beneath the ice. If a city or even an entire civilization was there, what happened to it? How could it get buried under 2 miles of ice? The answer likely lies in a sudden, catastrophic event. Geologists know that Earth's climate can change dramatically and quickly. A rapid global freeze, a sudden pole shift that moved Antarctica to its current position, or a climate collapse triggered by a cosmic impact could have buried everything almost instantly. The land would have been flash frozen. Over thousands of years, snow fell, compacted, and turned to ice, creating the 2-mile thick sheet we see today. This immense weight of ice would have crushed and sealed whatever lies below, preserving it in a frozen time capsule. This is why we can't just go and dig. But the scans, the radar, the maps, they all say something is there. We are standing on the edge of what could be the greatest discovery in human history. If an ancient, unknown civilization really did exist on Antarctica, it would force us to rewrite everything we think we know about our past. The implications are staggering. It would mean that we are not the first advanced civilization on this planet. It would mean there is a chapter of our own story that has been completely lost to time. So the question is no longer asterisk if asterisk something is down there, but asterisk what asterisk is down there. What is really buried beneath the ice of Antarctica? And if you had the chance, would you dare to explore it? Thanks for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you're fascinated by mysteries like this, make sure to follow Mystery Vault. We've got more secrets to uncover.